you can go to create video or create image. But here we are talking about creating image today. I'm going to be showing you how to create images for free. So here you can sign in, continue with Google account. So you're signed in now. So just click on create image. This is it. Here is the place you're supposed to paste in the text, the prompt you're going to give it to generate images for you. Here it's telling you that it's going to give you 4 images at a time. You can actually reduce it, maybe 3, 2, or even 1. So, but since it's showing us 4, then let's go with 4 first. So, doesn't take much of our distance. So you just go to here is the settings. So you can actually from here now select what you want. The size of image you want. Is it 21 by 9, 16 by 9, 4 by 3? But normally I prefer 16 by 9 because it's for widescreen and suitable for YouTube videos. So we'll go with 16 by 9. So here now, we put in the text. Let's say we put in our prompt here. Young African woman with braided hair wearing an Ankara dress. Simple. When you use this place now, it's going to refine your prompt and give more, add more details to it to make it precise to what you want. So it's optional. You may choose to use that, or you may also just go on with what you want to do. So you click on create image. So here you click, you're going to create 4 images for you. So let's do that. It's creating. Wow, these are the images. Very beautiful. 4 different images of different styles. So it has generated 4 images here. The way it is that you can actually download each of them. It's download here. You can download with watermark or remove the watermark. So whichever you choose. Once you download, they are all yours for use.